Problema mo ba ang dumi sa iyong paligid tulad ng alikabok at mga allergens? Naninikip na ba ang iyong dibdib sa nalalanghap mong usok ng sasakyan? Usok ng sigarilyo? At kung ano-ano pang usok na lubhang nakakasama sa iyong baga. Gayon, makinig kang mabuti. If you don't smoke, don't start. Avoid secondhand smoke. Do your part to control outdoor air pollution and keep the air we breathe clean. Learn about indoor pollution and what you can do to reduce your exposure. Get moving. Exercise makes your lungs stronger and provides your body the oxygen it needs. Take supplements. Mag Lung Care Plus. Lung Care Plus has essential vitamins and minerals, specialized nutrients, powerful antioxidants, and synergistic blend of herbs to help protect your lungs and strengthen immunity. Lung Care Plus, i-lung care mo ang baga mo.